Hola everybody! Today we're going to use this story. If you can see right here, it says 1B. I am going to read it and I want you to do the same thing for me. So make sure that when you're reading, I want to see you pointing to the words. And you got to practice before you do it. I'm going to use this test for the conference that I'm going to have with your parents next week. So it's really important that you try to do your best job. Alright, so 1B, and this is for the orange group. So if you're Junie, Jonathan, Savannah, Hunter, Cruz, and Alexander, I want you to read this story. You ready? Okay, you're going to do it like me, so watch. I see pets. I see one cat. I see 2 dogs. I see 3 fish. I see 2 cats. Alright, but I want you to read the whole thing all the way to the bottom. And that's it. And I will save your video so that your parents and I can watch you read. Good luck. Have fun. Practice before you do it. Bye.